Well, I got out of the service and I wanted to make guitars. And when I signed up for the first class, the program for building guitars, I realized right off the bat that I was not a natural. And I realized that if my woodworking skills were better, I'd make better guitars. And I was interested in creating other things by then. So I signed up for this course. And I can tell you, I have vastly improved my skills with hand tools as well as power tools. The projects you get to work on, they it's almost like a step-by-step process of learning. You can start with no skills, come here, and each project you do, the skills build on themselves. You get better and better through the program. The way they set up the cohorts, you have several veterans in each group, and that whole team aspect of the military comes into play. In my cohort alone, we have Army, Navy, and Marine, and myself, Air Force. And it is a team concept. When we start a project, we know that if somebody is weak in an area, or somebody is, let's say, has stronger skills in a certain part of that project, they'll definitely help out, make sure we don't leave somebody behind. The camaraderie is great. We make mistakes together. They help me fix mistakes. We have a good time, have a lot of fun. It's a good place to be, for sure. But I would say the staff and mainly the instructors would be the reason that this would be the place to come if you're pursuing woodworking.